Oh my God, too many birds now in there. That's a real. That's cool.
Yeah, it's closed.
Now what?
Try to give them
Now
some
you're in
water.
trouble.
Well, if Rebecca knows about birds, maybe ask her what kind of bird it is.
So make it Rebecca. Don't corner him.
No.
Vessel, let him hang there.
I don't know if he's not used to it.
I'm just maybe we can put it somewhere in a box or something.
We don't have a box. So
Yeah. Do you have a little something to put water in? Like a little. You can maybe get a little. Yeah, that might be perfect.
You think he's thirsty?
Well, bird's an animal. I mean, they eat and drink like everyone else.
You getting Rebecca? What are you doing? Okay.
Yeah, he can't go. He's not going to move that fast.
Yeah, he looked like he's.
Yeah, he's more interested. I think it's too cool for him.
Yeah.
It's probably a tropical bird, so he probably likes it when it's 90 degrees, a little humid. So this is probably a little uncomfortable being out here, and it's just scary because it's.
See, if he was a.
He's not that scary
If he's
though.
someone's owner, he would understand the finger.
Well,
But he's not wild though.
he's not. You know.
See, he's so
He's-
cute and nice.
Does he have a name tag?
Oh, nice.
There you go.
Pretty cool.
There you go.
Oh, look at his nice new shirt, too.
Are you filming?